guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have a new synthetic wig. This one, she's gorgeous, okay? I'm just gonna say right now, 10 out of 10. That's all I gotta say. 10 out of 10. But I'm gonna actually show y'all like the details about the wigs and the specs and stuff. So this is the wig. I believe it's pronounced Laurel. I be thinking so hard about these wig names, and it'd be so simple. This is the wig card. It's by Outre. Yeah, I know I love me some Outre, okay? But this is the perfect hairline, the 13x6. She is gorgeous. Transparent lace, okay? What lace? I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be totally honest. People be hating on synthetic wigs, but they're kind of better than human wigs. I'm gonna just stop right there. So this is more about the wig. So, okay, so real scalp illusion, reduced lace grids, lines, fully hand tied, 13x6 frontal, ear to ear, pre-plucked hairline with natural baby hairs. Comes with elastic band. It's right there. Heat freestyling. Now that's all that's on this card. But I'm gonna go to what the wig came in. I just want to talk about this because this is the first wig I've ever gotten without a bag. Usually synthetic wigs come with a box and then it's the bag. This is just a box, no bag. Which I'm okay with it. I just don't keep the boxes. I throw away the boxes. So with this wig, I'm gonna have to keep it in the box, you know, because there's no bag. I know I got some extra wig bag somewhere. I may end up putting there. I just feel my wigs are safe in bags. You know, no heat. I mean, not no heat. No, just dust is on it or anything. But yeah, so just this little slide-on box. But the wig comes in a lot of colors too. You see it on the back. I just got 1B because I just want the natural color. You know, something that's just natural. Cool. I should have got 2. I just like 2. 1B, 2. It really doesn't matter. I just like 2. That's me preferably. But this is fine. This is gorgeous. You can also put it up. And oh, I must say this. This wig is really, really soft. Sometimes they say like you can do your wig like this or like part it anyway. But I be kind of hesitant because it be like bulky. But this hair is so soft, so lightweight that I could just do like that and boom. Side part. I don't know how to do that style, but I could just easily slide it up. You know, it's so lightweight and so smooth and like it's just so easy to manage and to turn around to a different style real fast, which I love that about this wig. I love that. When I put it on, I fell in love. So I do get some tangling, but not too much. There ain't nothing I'm like, oh my gosh. And I'm not getting any shedding at all. Okay. I always say that and I'm like, oh, spoke too soon. But that's the shedding I got. It's not a lot. I ain't tripping over it because the wig, like I said, it gets a 10 out of 10 for me right now. I just put it on so I don't want to be like, oh my gosh, go get this wig right now. And I haven't worn it for an hour yet. So most likely down in the description, I'll say like if the wig is like, if it's 100% worth it. But right now, I'm telling you, she's it, okay? She is it. And I am in love. I love this wig. I love this wig. I know they have another wig in this collection. It's kind of a curly, well, this is also curly, but that wig is kind of more spiral curls, I believe. I want to try that wig because if it's anything like this, I'll try it and did some. They didn't really did some. So, I'm going to stop rambling and, oh, one more thing. Big hair friendly. So, I'm going to say this wig is pretty big hair friendly for the simple fact that I don't think these are matching. Like one is up here, one's down there. I had a lot of space on the side, so I believe it's big hair friendly. But again, if you watch my videos, I'm not good at determining it. So, sorry. But, yeah, that's it for this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, comment down below and I'll answer them. And on to the install.
Soulja Boy, tell me.